Sunday, bounty fishing day, going for some big pike. It's snowing, I don't know if you can see. Blizzard, lots of snow. It's 8 in the morning, still dark out, we're all loaded up. Gonna have to walk on today. Too much snow on the lake. Buddy Mike. Try and get him a 20-pounder. It'll be a good day. My truck, got some winter tires on, ready to plow through. See what happens here. Old 2-pounder. I was bringing the line up so we could release this other 15-pounder we got here. We got a double header. We're going to get this guy back, and we're going to get the other guy back. Look at that little guy. Use him as bait. Well, that would be not legal. This guy down. Tricky to get him down because we got 6 to 8 inches of flood water. So you think you're putting him down in the hole, but you're actually putting him on the side of the hole. Get this other guy back here now. He's just chilling. As the marks on me is all wrapped up. Let this guy go. This one measured out at about 34.5 inch. There he goes. Still no 20. Got a nice 8-pound, 9-pounder. We got a 15 before, we forgot to get video, but I'll show you some pictures when we get this guy home. It's our 3rd fish in about 20 minutes. Mike caught this guy. Let him go. Alright, got a 36.5 incher. Just chilling in our live well. I don't know, he's probably pretty close to the same size as the other one. He's a fat one though. I'll get some pictures here and we're going to release this guy. Just lost another one while we were fighting this guy. It's nice to have a live well, but just so you can keep him. Get this guy back. Here's this wall. Let her go. There's my buddy Mike. We're just taking off. We have to walk on skidoo tracks just to stay above the 2 inches of frozen ice, and then there's 6 or 7 inches of water underneath that, and then the main ice.